Today we shall see how to insert and extract data to and from the database. We will use these forms. It has post method. It has two input fields, name and company. These input fields have unique names user and COMP. This is passed to the post.php file through post method. So let's see post.php. Since we are using post method, we use $_post and its unique name and store these value passed by the user in $name and $company. So now let's open the MySQL console. Let's create a database. First, let's drop the existing database, if any. Drop database ABC. Okay, it was there, so it has been deleted now. Now create database ABC, a fresh creation of it. Nothing is there inside this database. Now use this database, use ABC. Create a table inside this ABC. Create table BBC. Now create some fields inside it. We need two fields, name and company. Both are string type, so we will take varchar and let the name length be 15 characters, company 20 characters. Okay, now you can, if you have more than two fields, you can create more than two fields. So description, the structure of the table, name and company. Select star from BBC, the contents of the table, nothing is there, so it returns empty set. Now we have to insert data using this script. Comment this line out. Connect this script with the database we have created just now, ABC database. So this is the procedure. MySQL_connect. You need to pass three parameters to it. First one being the host name. In 95% of the time it will be localhost. The second field is the name of the database. Now the third field is password. I don't have any password, so I'll leave it empty. Now selecting the database, MySQL_select_DB. First parameter is the database name, second parameter is this $CONN, this variable. Our database name is ABC, so write ABC here. That's it. Now we have successfully connected our script to our newly created database ABC. Now let's insert these values. Insert into BBC, the table we have created. Insert into BBC values. These values have been passed by the user. We just insert it using this query. Since name and company are string variables, we need to put them in single quotes. If we are inserting a numeric value, you need not insert it into a single quote. You can directly put those variables. So to execute this query, you need to use this standard function, MySQL_query. If this didn't execute successfully, then throw some errors so that we can know what the error is. MySQL_error it's a standard error function. While in development stage, this MySQL_error helps a lot. If insertion is successful, Successfully inserted message will be displayed. Let's save it and have a look in the browser to see if it's working properly. Locate the form. Post form.php is the form. My name Satish, our company Technotip. Now submit info. Okay, successfully inserted. Let's check it in the database. Select star from BBC, the table name BBC. So it is here, successfully inserted. Bill Gates, Bill, Microsoft, successfully inserted. Let's have a look again. Okay, it's getting inserted successfully. Now let's retrieve these information and show it on the browser itself. The user need not come to a console window and see if it's working or not. So let's put a link to another file here which we must create. Let's call it view result. We should link a file to it so that when the user clicks view result, it should take him to another page where it should show all the entries in the database. Show.php, we need to create it now. Copy it, save the file, open another file. Navigate to your WAMP directory www/aapostform where I have stored this project. Save it. So let's order it. Formatting is very important in web designing. So let's make it unordered list. Before that we need to connect this script also to the database. We shall just copy the previous information from post.php file. So now this script is also connected to our database ABC. Now execute a query to retrieve the information from the database. Select star from BBC. Execute it. MySQL underscore query $SQL. Now all the result will be stored in $query. Fetch it row wise. SQL fetch, MySQL fetch array. Fetch this array stored in $query. Echo list item. Name will be stored in $row of 0. The next element is company, will be stored in $row of 1. That's it. Let's try it on the browser. Steve owns Microsoft, no, Apple. Submit info. Successfully inserted. Now view result. Okay, it's giving error in 19th line. It should work irrespective of its case. Okay, I haven't put the double quotes and semicolon here. refresh it again. Another error, MySQL, it's SQL not SLQ. Let me correct it. MySQL underscore fetch underscore array, it's a standard function. Now it should work, everything is looking fine. Okay, it's displaying now. Let's check it with one more thing. Let's put BR here so that that link comes to the next line. View result link. Lorry page owns Google. Submit info. Successful installation. Okay, now this is working. This is how we insert and extract data from the data to and from the database. Please share this video with your friends and please hit that like button below this video in YouTube. Thanks for watching. Also visit technotip.org